everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Argos Mastercard account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box and type in www.myargoscard.co.uk and press enter. The Argos Mastercard is a credit card issued by Vanquis Bank in partnership with Argos. The card offers customers the ability to earn and redeem points when making purchases at Argos and other participating retailers. To log into your account, go ahead and enter your login ID in the text box and then type in your surname on the next field. If you've forgotten your login ID, you can click on this Forgotten Your Login ID link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your login ID. If you'd like the system to remember your ID, check this little Remember My Login ID box and leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Finally, after filling in the credential, click the Next button and you should be able to log into your Argos Mastercard. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.